In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect components to Webflow CMS. We'll start by setting up a solid CMS foundation so your components can pull content dynamically. Think of a collection like a well-structured list, similar to a spreadsheet, where each item holds the content your components will display, such as text, images, and rich media. Begin inside your Webflow project in the designer. It helps to have a clear idea of what you'll showcase, maybe blog posts, team profiles, or testimonials, so your collection matches your design and content plan. Open the CMS section from the left toolbar to access the CMS dashboard. This is the home for all your collections and where you'll manage the content that powers your components across pages. Create a new collection by selecting the plus icon. A collection represents a single content type. Give it a clear, memorable name so it's easy to recognize later. For a team section, for example, a straightforward name like team members keeps things organized and avoids confusion as your site grows. You'll see ready-made templates you can use, or you can customize your own collection from scratch. Templates are fast and include common fields out of the box. Choose one if it aligns with what you need. If you prefer full control, create fields that mirror your design, such as name, main image, summary, and a rich text area for longer content. Keep labels simple, add short descriptions so collaborators know what belongs in each field, and only mark fields as required when every item will truly need that data. Clean, human-readable slugs make life easier if these items will generate URLs. When the structure looks right, confirm by creating the collection. Webflow sets it up with any default fields and takes you to the item manager so you can start entering content. From here, you can add, delete, manage, or edit your CMS content as your site evolves. Adding a couple of sample items now is a smart way to test your layouts and confirm that components display as expected. Refine copy, swap images, or adjust categories to keep content accurate and consistent. This is the workspace you'll return to whenever your site needs updates without touching the design. With your collection in place and populated, your components are ready to connect to these fields, keeping designs consistent and updates centralized. That's the real power of Webflow CMS. Build once, then drive it with structured content. Congratulations on getting your collection set up. In your next workflow step, you'll bind your on-page components to these fields and watch your layouts update automatically.